guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am back with another video. So a lot of you guys have asked me that what is my regular makeup routine. So today I'm going to show you my regular makeup routine which I do in few steps. First I'm going to start with a moisturizer. I would suggest that take a good known brand moisturizer because it will keep your skin safe. We're going to use a concealer. So if you have a good branded concealer, the best part is you wouldn't even have to use a foundation. You know, if you want a no makeup look, you can just use a concealer and you will have a perfect look. Very good hack for you guys. I have these two multi-purpose brushes. They're very good because not only for foundation, not only for concealer, you can use it for many things. So I would suggest buy a multi-purpose brush. Now next we're going to use a transparent powder. I'm going to apply it under my eye and I'm going to keep it for a few seconds. So before mixing the powder, I'm going to just do my eyebrow a little bit. I don't really draw my eyebrows because I like it the way it is, like natural. Now I'm going to take a brush and I'm going to mix it. Now the best part about this powder, I'm going to tell you why we use this, is because when we apply concealer under our eyes, if you don't apply a transparent powder, then there'll be cracks under your eyes and you can see it in pictures, you can see it even in mirrors. So please don't forget to use a transparent powder. So another hack for you guys. So this lipstick I didn't use that much. I didn't like the shade for some reason. I was like, okay, I'll not use it. But then I realized I can use it as a blush on and it works really well. So this is the shade and I just don't use it on my lips, but I use it on my cheeks. So if you don't have a blush on, you can always use a lipstick. Next we're going to use a compact powder. I'm going to take it like this. We are almost done, guys. So now I'm going to take a very good lip balm. This is a very good lip balm. It's more than lip balm. It's basically to protect your lips. So I'm going to So I've applied my lip balm and before applying my lipstick, I'm going to use my mascara. Mascara is my favorite type of makeup. Like anything, if I'm not even wearing any makeup, I'll just put mascara and I'll leave. I love mascara. Now the last step. Lipstick, you can take any color you like, any brand you like. I'm going to take a very natural pink color. So guys, we're done with our basic natural makeup look, and the best part about this look is that you can get ready within 15 minutes. And I totally love this makeup look. But do try this and let me know if you liked it in the comment section, and also tell me what video you would like next. And also don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Lots of love.